The question is, what is the proper etiquette between myself and my general contractor and his subs? I think people are wondering, do I let them use my bathroom? Do I offer them water? Obviously it is up to you, but these folks are in your home for a long period of time, and I think that anything that you can do to maintain a very professional relationship, but also make it a very pleasant work environment. So just think of anything. I know here at Sweeten, we have a whole room of snacks and water available to everyone who works here. And that's because we want people to be comfortable and to be as productive as possible. And so, think of it the same way for your general contractor and his subs. They're going to be in a hot apartment. Maybe it's okay to have a refrigerator filled with water for them, or obviously make arrangements for them for their bathroom. It doesn't have to be yours, but if you could make sure that in your building there's maybe a bathroom that they can use, that would be great.